Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have a classic red lip glam. I am so excited to film this because I love me some red lips. Especially, I could use red lip all year round, but I love to pop it out for the holidays. It's just my favorite. I feel like it's just so pretty. And there's so many options for red lips. I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video what are my favorites. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, if you guys want to see my classic holiday red lip glam, then definitely keep on watching. Okay love, so let's get started with this classic red lip holiday glam. I am going to be using the products that I got in my boxy charm. I did get my box like a few days ago and I was like, yes, let me film my makeup look with these products because I was super excited to get my box. Everything looks so pretty. The first thing I pulled out here is the Luxie Premium handcrafted brushes. These look so cute. I'm going to take them out, try them out, see how they feel. I have got Luxie brushes before. I think I got them when I was subscribed to Ipsy. I think that was the last time that I got Luxie brushes. But this is so cool because you get 4 brushes. So we got 4 brushes here. They look so cute. Now they are kind of like super light. I don't know. But these look so cute. I am going to be using these in my video today. And then the next thing is lashes. Now I am not going to be using these lashes just because I do have lash extensions. So I'm not going to use them. But these look so gorgeous. And these are called the Insta Glam. And this is Lashaholic. These are super cute. Can't wait to try them out. Hopefully when I take off my lash extensions, I'll try it out and see how they are. And then the next thing I got was the Long Lasting Black Color Update Your Eyes eyeliner. And this is a glittery glitter eyeliner. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys so you can see it. And I think you rub it and then the glitter comes out. See, there you go. You just rub it and the glitter comes out. Like, this is so cute. And then the next thing is the eyeshadow palette. This palette I am going to be using. And this is the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. Looks like that. That is so pretty. I love the colors in it. And one fun fact is that the name on the side says Jasmine. I thought that was so cute. So I cannot wait to try out this palette. And then the last thing I have in my box are these Cover FX glitter drops. I can't wait to try it. These are the Nova glitter drops, and then it looks like this. This is so cute. I can't wait to try it, and hopefully it works out for my skin. But yeah, let's get started with this eyeshadow look. I'm just gonna speed through the eyeshadow look and then come back and talk to you guys with the other products. So Okay guys, So I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion on the palette. I absolutely love the palette. It's very pigmented. The jasmine glitter is so beautiful, especially if you apply it with your finger. I think it comes out more vibrant. When I try to pick it up with a brush and just blend it out, it was kind of difficult just because, you know, I think the finger application is so much better, but this palette is beautiful. I think you could create about 3 or 4 looks with this palette, so I definitely think it's worth the money. It's very, very good. Now for the brushes, I wouldn't say I will recommend them per se, just because I feel like I really couldn't do much. The only brush that I can say that I liked, well, 2 brushes that I could say that I liked were this one right here, which is the mini round brush. This is such a good pencil brush to go underneath and apply shadow. This is really good. It's really soft. And then this one right here, the mini angle brush, I think this is really good to pack on shadow on the side. These are the only 2 brushes that I like. These 2 I'm not a fan of. I really don't like them. I'm sorry, but these are the only 2 that I like. I wouldn't recommend all these brushes because they're not that good. But let's move on. I did have this pencil liner. I did want to apply it with you guys on camera and see how good it is. Okay, I'm applying it. Let's see if I can get some pigment. I guess not. Can you guys see that? Because I feel like I can't see it. No. So let's move on to the drops. I think this is the last thing that I had in my box, which yeah, that is the last thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. First, I want to apply it on my shoulders since I am showing my shoulders with this shirt. So let me try it here. Apply some there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with a brush and see. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is glittery, guys. Like, I cannot put this on my face. I'm so sorry, but I cannot put this on my face. This is way too glittery. Like, this is good to go out to the pool or something. And look at that. Like, I think that is good. This is good for that, but to put on my face, I don't like glittery. Like, no. I don't not like anything glittery for my face, just because I do have texture on my face. Like, I don't want to add more texture to it. So no, I'm just gonna blend this all over my chest because that's the only place I'm gonna apply it. But I think it's gorgeous. You guys can see, look at how sparkly it is. I definitely like it for body glitter, but for the face, I wouldn't put this on my face because it's just too sparkly, too glittery, and I don't like that. Okay, love, so let's move on to the lips. I did pick out 3 red lippies that I love, and I wanted to give you guys a different options, like from high-end to all the way to drugstore. So I wanted to give you guys some of my favorite red lips since this is a red classic holiday glam. So I wanted to show you these 3. This one right here is the Fenty Beauty Red Lippy, and this is in the shade Uncensored. I love this one. I love it because it's such a vibrant red and it lasts me all day. And I definitely love the applicator. I think it's so cute and how tiny it is. It's just so easy to apply the lipstick. Like, it's really good. That is why I like it. It's very liquidy, that's for sure. It will definitely bleed on you, so you definitely want to apply a lip liner with this. So I definitely recommend for that. Then next I have the, no, this is not the one. This is not the one. This is not the one. I actually wanted to show you guys the ColourPop one. This is the Anastasia one in American Doll. I love this one. This is a very vibrant red, very vibrant. But I wanted to show you guys the ColourPop one. I love it. It's like in the same tube. Like, it's the I Love Sarai collaboration with ColourPop, and it's the red lippy. Oh, I love that one. That one is like a very ruby red. Like, I love it. I love the formula. It's so good and so long wearing, so I absolutely recommend that one. This one is good too, but it's just not like my totally top favorite. Like, it's not in my top favorites, so I would definitely I would definitely recommend the ColourPop one. That one is really good and affordable, of course. So the last one I wanted to recommend is the Wet n Wild one. This is so good and so inexpensive. I think it's like $4.99 for this lippy, so I definitely recommend it. And this is the shade Missy and Fierce. This is such a beautiful red and very comfortable. Very long lasting. I wouldn't say it lasts all day, but it's very long lasting and it doesn't bleed, so that is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Wet n Wild one because I don't have my lip liner, and if I apply this one, I need a lip liner, so I don't have one with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. This one is just as good. Maybe it's already dried out because I used it so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one. Okay, love, so this is the finished completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.